They called it the Veil Protocol. In the 1970s, Tokyo had a division that studied dangerous vibrations. They believed sound could change perception. My father worked there. I found this reel in his archive. He'd marked it, "Do not transfer." But I did. They weren't songs. They were tones injected into early pop records, hidden in commercials, in school bells, to alter mood or erase memory. They called it Shamaku, a sound veil. He left me this for a reason. I just don't know if I was meant to hear it. Veil 17. Be active.